Robert Kiyosaki, guys. Robert Kiyosaki is completely bullish on cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin. So according to him, the dollar is going to be replaced by Bitcoin. So according to him, there are three types of money. The first one is gold, which is God's money, because it is the product of nature. You have to literally go down the earth and you have to mine it. So that's a gold, that's God's money. And then is fiat money, which is by the government, which prints, right? And the third type of money is cyber money, which is nothing but the technology money. And according to him, the technology money, the cyber money is going to replace the government money, right? So he is completely bullish on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. And this is very significant, because Robert Kiyosaki is somebody whom I've been following. I came across his book called Rich Dad, Poor Dad. In case if you have not heard, I would like to show you these books I've been reading for. This is the cash flow quadrant, right? And then he has written several books. So this is Rich Dad and Poor Dad. So he is the author of multiple finance books. So he definitely understands what money is. So this is the video which was published a couple of months back. So you might have watched it already, or maybe you have not watched it. So in case if you have not, I would highly recommend you to go ahead and watch it.
I'll never sell my gold. It's going to be passed on for generations. So I don't ever.
So here he says that he's not going to sell his gold, because this is the guy who really believes in gold, right? So he's not going to sell any of his gold, but he is definitely going to buy more of a cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. And he is also of an opinion that the market crash is coming. So when he was asked that, do you think the market crash is coming? So he said that, well, I'm ready for it, because this is what happens. He says that whenever there's a stock market crash or there's a fiat crash, the things are already in discount, like 50%, 70% off, and that is when you want to buy more. So he's expecting a market crash very soon, and he's accumulating more and more Bitcoins and cryptocurrencies. He's also writing a book called Fake. So that's the new book. After these two books, the new book is called Fake Book, wherein he will be writing the importance of technology money, cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin money as well. So definitely go ahead and watch this. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. This is a wonderful video, a powerful video. The reason I like it and I want to share with you, because when you have a financial expert talking about Bitcoin cryptocurrencies, it really is very encouraging and builds your belief. The last one I want to share, and this is a company which basically produces graphic cards. So Nvidia has reported about 289 millions of revenue in the first quarter of this year. Now, 289 million. Why is that? Why is that? Because all the crypto miners are buying a lot of GPUs, and this is according to the CEO. One of the very important and very interesting statement that he made is right here. He said that, so Jensen Huang, he is the CEO of Nvidia, which actually manufactures this GPU, which people use it to mine Ethereum and all the other cryptocurrencies, right? It's basically a computer processing, right? Computing processing. So he said that despite the regulatory pressures, the popularity of cryptocurrencies will grow in the next few years. The chief executive of the Nvidia said that the cryptocurrencies are the ability for the world to have a very low friction, low cost way of exchanging value. So with cryptocurrencies, with the help of the technology called Bitcoin and blockchain and Ether, you can exchange value at a minimal cost, right? And it's going to be here for a long time. So welcome to the new economy. Congratulations to everyone who has got started into this space, right? So as you can see, every company who enters into the space turns out to be extremely profitable. You talk about Binance beating the Deutsche Bank just in about 7 months time. You talk about Nvidia making the graphic cards, and again you have Robert Kiyosaki also now writing a book on this new money called Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. I'm definitely excited to read his next book. Let me know what do you think about Robert Kiyosaki's opinion on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.